Semiconductor is an ecosystem. It is not just one company. It is for semiconductor manufacturing to happen in India. There should be applied, there should be academia, there should be all the suppliers, and there should be government. So just one happening independently, we will not be able to survive, right? I think that is our belief, that the ecosystem needs to grow and that ecosystem needs to be sustainable, which means that everybody partners with each other so that the entire ecosystem grows.
This is the first step towards creating such an ecosystem, yes, where the students can learn together from the academia as well as from the industry.
When you talk about semiconductor manufacturing, the things that you need to do, you need to deposit materials, you need to remove materials, you need to analyze materials, but the first thing is to deposit materials. And to deposit materials, the foundation for that is vacuum, right? Without understanding vacuum, without understanding plasma, and without understanding materials, it's very difficult to create materials, right?
All faculty as well as the applied materials team came together and we discussed for almost 6 to 8 months. I developed a course. This course is going on, and this is a regular semiconductor materials and devices course, which is vacuum technology course, and which is being offered jointly by the faculty of our department as well as applied materials.
This is a very important foundational tool, right? That's one of the reasons we picked this, right? And to be able to have people like you touch and play with that.
Then only it will not remain just theoretical or from pages of book, but it will basically now become a hands-on experience, a truly, holistic experience in some sense. So I thank Dr. Suraj and the Applied Materials team to be so helpful in providing this instrument, which will be used by our students for tinkering.
I see more passion here. We've been to all the other IITs. We've gone and seen IIT Hyderabad. I see more desire to do hands-on stuff, right? Putting labs, and making it more accessible. And working with industry, being flexible, right? Yes. People can come in the weekend and teach and all that. That flexibility of working with industry, to me, is the one that sort of separates IIT Hyderabad from the others.
All these things have been happening because of the support from our director, Professor Murthy, who has always been very much into this industry academia interactions, and he has been supportive of the also courses that can be offered from the IITH faculty along with partnering with an industry.
So we would like to be able to partner both from giving and also learning. And this is something that we as industry partners can work with academia to make this happen.
I thank him, and I also thank the Dr. Mahendran, Professor Mahendran, who is the Dean SCR, who has also supported the establishment of this facility here, and Dr. Mudrika, Professor Mudrika. Thank you, sir.